Hey friends, so today let's make our very first Raspberry Pi project. So in this project we're going to have an LED which blinks at certain intervals. So let's make it. So now let's look at the connections. So here we're connecting GPIO pin 14 to a resistor which is connected to an LED, and that's the positive pin of the LED, and the negative pin of the LED is connected to ground on the Raspberry Pi. So now let's code it. So from the applications menu we'll be opening the Thorny IDE for Python, and now it's opening. It'll take a few seconds to open. So the first thing we do in the program is we import the RPI GPIO library, which allows us to control our GPIO pins as GPIO. And then we import the sleep function from the time library, which is used to make your Raspberry Pi just delay or wait for a certain time. Then we set the pin numbering mode to BCM, the Broadcom numbers, and then we set Broadcom pin 14 to output. Next, in a while true loop, which is a loop forever, it turns on pin 14 and then waits for half a second, then turns off pin 14 and waits for another half a second. And since our LED is connected to pin 14, the LED will blink. Now it will keep running until we interrupt it, and if there are any errors, they are caught in this except block, and it just cleans up the GPIO if there are any errors. So now let's see it working. Now let's run the program and see the LED working. So we'll just click on the run button over here to run the program. Now it's running and the LED is blinking. So that's it. We got our first Raspberry Pi project up and running. So see you soon in the next videos.